So now I've made that line, I brought it all the way back. And the next step is to cut. So we've cut this with a 4. So now we've parted the other side, we're going to cut that with the 4 as well. So here we are, we've cut the sides with a 4. Oh, that looks cool, can you see it? But we're going to even this off, then we're going to come back through with our 2. So now we've gone around it with the 2, trim out around his neck. Now what we've done is he's gotten out of the shower, his hair is still a little wet, we're going to brush through this. So I'm going to put some Elmer's glue on my hand, and I've already put water in here so it's diluted down. This actually washes off pretty easy. We're just going to rub it through his hair. So now I'm going to kind of brush it up, hold it up.
How am I going to sleep and it's going to stay up?
It stays up. And so we'll just proceed through the rest of his head, and I'll show you what that looks like when we're done. And then when you're blow drying this, angle the blow dryer up so the heat goes up from the scope. The loose pieces, I just put some glue on my hands here. You're gonna just get some glue, and then there's the few loose pieces. Brush up on them and pull them up to the other ones, and they'll stick. And if you see white spots, those will dry clear. You like that? Now we're going to cut off the rest of his hair. He wore his hat, and as you can see, it's still crispy. But the good thing about this is it's all glued in. So we're going to go like this. Ready? There's your hair. You want your pieces?
No!
Huh?
Show Mom.
So that's all the
This has been fun. Hope you like my hair.